Every home uses energy. Modern living requires it, and none of us want to limit the conveniences offered by today's consumer electronics and appliances. The problem is that energy costs a lot of money. By going solar, you can continue to enjoy all the comforts of home, but without the bill. We want to show you how to get a complete solar energy package for your home, receive $100,000 in cash, and gain $100,000 in home equity, all for the same money you're now spending on utilities. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, measures inflation in goods and services as well as energy. Unfortunately for every homeowner, energy costs are rising twice as fast as other products and services. For the last decade, they've averaged 6.23%. During an economic slowdown, you'll still be paying those utility payments, although they'll become a bigger and bigger part of your overall expenditures. Outrageous utility bills are the #1 cause of foreclosures for retirees because they can't get out from under these ever-growing expenses. Imagine paying off your mortgage only to lose your home because you can't afford the utilities. The average homeowner spends $225 per month on energy. That's natural gas and/or electricity. Yours may be higher or lower, but the examples you're about to see apply equally well. They'd simply be proportionally larger or smaller. Over the next 20 years, your utilities will rise to a whopping $800 a month, and you'll spend a total of $110,000 and have absolutely nothing to show for it. Your payments won't generate any income, accumulate any interest, create a new asset, or even increase your property value. You get nothing back for your $110,000. It's not even deductible, and to add insult to injury, your utilities are taxed, and if you're on an equal payment plan, they're charging you interest. And this doesn't count the $99,000 you're going to spend on gasoline during the same time period. However, there is an alternative. Enough energy from the sun strikes the earth in 1 hour to generate all the electricity used in this country for a year. By harnessing the power of the sun for your home, you can permanently free yourself from the burden of utility payments. Take the very same money you're already spending on utilities and instead use it to purchase a solar energy package for your home. Instead of paying those ever-growing utility costs, we take your current utility payment, which you have to pay anyway, and use it to purchase a solar energy package. Your payments stay level instead of growing each year, and they stop permanently after a few years. As energy costs rise, you save more and more compared to everyone else. This allows you to save the difference. By the time the equipment is paid off, you can accumulate $100,000 cash simply by saving the difference between what you would have paid and your actual level equipment payment. Your home equity will also grow an extra $100,000 because of the solar equipment. The bottom line is that instead of spending $110,000 and having nothing to show for it, you can have a fully paid home energy system plus $100,000 cash in the bank, plus $100,000 more in equity, all from the very same utility payments you're now making. And what about gasoline? With a solar home, you can buy one of the new hybrid electric cars, which can go up to 60 miles a day before switching to gas, then charge it up at home from your free solar power plant. There are tremendous benefits to owning a solar home. You are completely energy independent. No power outages, no utility bills, no rate hikes, no utility taxes, no sales tax on solar equipment. Equity goes up. Payments are deductible. Excess power can be sold to the utilities. Rebates of over $10,000. Most solar equipment never wears out. The system can be expanded. Virtually no maintenance, completely clean, endlessly renewable, and totally free. Now what about the remaining utilities, water, sewer, garbage, plus property taxes and homeowners insurance? Your solar energy system directly replaces your natural gas and electricity expenses and your $100,000 cash account pays the other $5,000 from interest only. In other words, once this fund is established, it pays the rest of your homeowner expenses for life. Let's say that again. By the time your solar equipment is paid off using your old utility payment, you'll have no more utility payments, no insurance premiums, and no property taxes for the rest of your life. Imagine how much further your retirement monies will go without the burden of homeowner expenses. So the one remaining question is, where does the money come from to install such a system? Easy. It could come from savings, investments, or even a 401k, but for most people it comes from the home itself. One of the great benefits of home ownership is equity. This type of home equity loan is relatively easy to secure because of the dramatic increase in property value associated with the installation of a new solar asset, and because it pays for itself through budget savings equal to the cost of the loan payment. Remember, you're going to make that $225 per month payment whether you install a solar energy package or not. By using your existing utility payment to make the loan payment instead, you quickly retire the loan and drop your utility outlay to zero. At the same time, your home equity is not only restored but grows substantially because of the new solar asset. Why not put your idle equity to work, install the system, and permanently reduce your homeowner expenditures for life? To provide you with a detailed estimate for your own solar energy package, the representatives of GreenStep Solar have special software designed specifically for this program, showing how your utility payments can secure complete energy independence. They'll plot out your projected savings, your equity growth, and all loan parameters. Your custom report will give you all the specifics for your particular circumstance at no cost or obligation to you. Your GreenStep specialist understands this program perfectly and has special financing packages specifically designed to work as outlined in this presentation. To reach a GreenStep Solar specialist, please see the contact section of this website for a special direct number, or call the GreenStep representative who directed you to this site. We look forward to serving you.